careful around Gray. He's part cat. That means no potted plant is safe. And if you're not careful, neither are you. Well, that's what the hospital is for. Uh-oh, somebody's got bugs on the brain. It's okay. You're just gonna need a quick shave. Next, time for these roaches to find a hotel. Now let's deal with these negative emotions. You know, sometimes a little brainwashing's a good thing. Let's skip the lather and repeat and head straight to rinse. Now dry it off, like my sense of humor. And let's fill you up with some positive thinking. You've got your brain, Scarecrow. Ooh, can't forget the Band-Aid. Next up is a little dental checkup. Maybe you should get one more than twice a year. Besides, with this, you won't feel a thing. First, you could really use a good brushing. Now let's take care of any loose teeth. Looks like this might take a while. Ooh, the tooth fairy's gonna love you. Don't worry, we've got a lot of replacements. And this time, some braces to keep them in place. Much better. Now give us a smile. There's time for a little tooth care lesson. It's easy. Healthy food means healthy teeth. In other words, you are what you teeth.
Yay!
Next up, let's have some fun at the cafe. Avoid the junk food and grab the healthy stuff. Who says you can't play with your food? Uh-oh, that burger had extra mayo. Don't worry, I'm sure the doctor will fix you up. Ooh, good thing you're such an open book. Remember, everything has its place. Oh, liver, here you go, buddy. But maybe let's ditch all the junk food. Besides, we've got happiness on a silver platter. Who knew happiness looked so much like produce? And you probably still need those vital organs. Pretty soon, you'll be walking on air. Uh-oh, I don't think those are Halloween decorations. Mr. Black, what are you up to? Well, this should put a shock to their system. They're alive. Alive! Our Sprunkies are alive! Well, close enough. Ooh, we should probably keep them contained. Come on, zombies, get your treat. It's from a Calc Major. Now hurry, let's get these guys out of here. Don't worry, the Wenda Hospital's open. And it's even got a zombie makeover. Still, we should clear some of these cobwebs. I don't think you guys are roommate friendly. Paper doesn't seem that tough. But if they can cover rocks, then there's nothing they can't do. Just add some glue and some rolled up paper. Come on, guys. Check out all your new digs. You each get a new cage of your very own. And look, they're all color coordinated.
Phew.
Watching these guys is gonna be a lot of work. So why don't we hire a professional zombie guard? Congrats, Sky, you're hired.
Yay!
Time for a break. What's going on? The couch is alive! Let's hope he's got a good severance package. We should take a look inside the cushions. It was just a bug. Of course, it can always multiply. Maggots and worms! Ugh. Let's send them packing. I think we're gonna need a new couch. Just take some paper and make a few cuts. Hold tight. We're moving dimensions from 2 to 3. Try it out. There's no worms, we promise. Now, I think it's time for the zombies' lunch. Something tells me they're getting hungry. Don't worry, we just need a little brain power. And soon, we can whip up exactly what they're asking for. This brain seems a little bit hollow. I stand corrected. Looks like someone's been studying. You're all getting some fresh brain curry. Plus a maggot for some extra protein. Oh, these guys are so excited, they'll dig right in. Ah, nothing beats some homemade brain food. Don't worry, Sky, there's plenty to go around. Is it me or our zombie friends feeling restless? I thought the dead were supposed to be quiet. Something tells me to draw up a solution. That looks good. It's time to cut it out. Fold it up into a cute little box. Add some features. Let's keep it on brand with Zombie Oaxis. Don't forget a pair of bloodshot eyes. Pretty soon, we're gonna turn the beat around. All you need now is your favorite record. And soon, we can get the party started. Okay, guys, who's up for a little cage dancing? Never mind, it's their favorite lullaby. You know, 40 winks sounds like a good idea. Meanwhile, we'll get everything in tip-top shape. Uh-oh, let's get these spiders out of here. Tell them to go up the water spout out back.
Ew, yuck.
Oh no, we're in the need of some brain power. Let's start by fixing up these wires.
Ooh.
Yeah, she learned basic electrical repair in Sprunki Scouts. Make like a pretzel and start twisting things up. Almost ready, just need to fix the plug. Talk about enlightened minds. After all, it's always best to have a bright mind. This is a hospital, so let's stock up on medicine. Of course, we're gonna need some furniture and all that latest medical technology. But Nurse Pinky, something is still missing. We need a hospital bed for the patients to lie down on. Ah, nice shiny chrome. Make sure it's secure. After all, they're gonna be holding zombies. A nice chain also helps complete the look. Let's hook you up to the monitor. Wait, does he still have a heartbeat? Either way, gotta keep your fluids in check. It's always best to reuse and recycle. Ah, letters are the building blocks of any language. But look at what else they can do. We can use them to build up a special tool. Just need to add a few finishing touches. And soon, we've got a brand new microscope. Now we can really analyze what's going on. Uh-oh, he's never seen something like this before. Guess even doctors look up symptoms online. Oh no, we're going to need some special medicine. Good thing Pinky interned at an apothecary. Let's start with a pocket-sized container. And it's got Pinky's special touch. Granted, these pills might be hard to swallow, so how about something that goes down easy? A simple recipe, mix up blue and yellow. Don't underestimate the power of turquoise. Now why don't we throw in some red for taste? Ah yes, the true weakness of any zombie, a rainbow! Next up, empty out a water bottle. It's gonna be a new measuring cup. But we're just getting started. Add another bottle. Next, hook them up and add a funnel. Remember, this is medical equipment, so add some warning sign stickers. Because stickers. Now why don't we try this out? Start by cracking open one of the pills. We'll need one more. Now let's try some of these potions. Ooh, things are really starting to bubble. Add some water. Don't want it too strong. Seal it up. This is why you always keep your bottle caps. A dispenser on top's the finishing touch. Don't like the taste of medicine? Don't worry, you don't drink it. You need to bathe in it. Unleash the power of the rainbow! Look, Oaxis is back to his old self. Things are gonna be okay. Oh, I had to jinx it. The zombies are loose! I knew we should have added locks. Well, it was nice knowing you, Sky. Oh, we gotta do something. Quick, we're gonna need a balloon and a TP roll. We'll also need some stripes. Yes, the stripes are important. Give it some arms. We might as well add biceps. Oh, just kidding. Add a base. And it's a cannon. All we need now is a little ammo. The walking Sprunkies are going down. Why is getting them to take a bath such a chore? But you'll see, this will put some meat on you. We're almost finished. Soon we'll be a zombie-free zone. It's a happy ending! And you know what that means. Time to dance! Turn up the music, DJ Oren! And look, Sky's okay too! Huh, why not? There's room for everyone on the dance floor. Okay, maybe not everyone, Mr. Necromancer.